Let's face it, there is no one-size-fits-all AI solution. Businesses from different industries need heavy customizations to make AI work for their specific use case. At Intelswift, AI Agents Marketplace, we give you the flexibility to create both conversational AI agents for your chat and voice channels, and vertical AI agents to handle very specific tasks for a niche. Firstly, let's quickly glance through conversational AI agents. For this demo, I'll create Sales AI agent, but you can always select customer support, which comes with slightly different configurations. But for the sake of demo, let's stick with sales. And I'm going to call my AI agent Daniel. Now that AI agent is created, the first thing you want to do is train AI agent on your business data. If you have the website, just drop the URL. Next, for your AI agent to sell for you 24/7, we need to define your ideal customer profile and the products that should be offered to those customers. In other words, tell AI agent how to automatically do the lead qualification for you. You can even use AI to auto-summarize this information for you, saving a lot of time. Now that Daniel is trained and ready to sell, let's head over to the workflows. You can use templates to set it up quickly, no need to start from scratch. First, I'll enable AI agent to answer customers first before any of the operators in my company take over. Then, let's configure how Daniel understands the conversation's context and overall decision-making process for AI agent. For example, if it's a new customer, Daniel will ask open-ended questions to qualify them and then use the product recommendation tool in order to recommend the right product for your customers. Lastly, I'll add two additional workflows. First, I'll configure how AI agent reassigns conversations to my reps in real time. Don't forget to select those agents with the least amount of workflow to reduce the burnout. Next, I'll also configure my agent to collect certain data from my customers, just so that the next time they come back, I know exactly who I'm talking with. And it will help my customers feel like VIP, right? Increase that personalization. Then let's go ahead and turn on all of these workflows. And that's it. Your AI agent is now ready to increase your sales pipeline. Now, let's say you want to monitor the quality of the conversations between AI or your operators and your customers. Or maybe you have some other use cases that you would like to automate. If you cannot find an existing solution that fits your vertical, just head over to the Developer Hub and create one on your own. Inside of the Developer Hub, you'll find over 140 integrations, access to top tiers, LLMs like OpenAI, AWS Bedrock, Anthropic Claude, plus a detailed documentation and sample projects to help you build AI agents faster. Once your AI agent is deployed to a communications channel, and let's talk about conversational AI agents now. You can track conversations, take over chats if needed, and don't forget to use AI tools for seamless recommendation, translation, and adding successful conversations to AI knowledge base. If you have deployed one of the vertical AI agents, and let's talk about quality monitoring one, right? This agent sends you a summary to a Slack on either daily or weekly or monthly time frame. And here you will see a short summary of number of conversations that were processed, how many of those conversations have met quality benchmarks. You will even be able to see the reasons for poor conversations experience. This AI agent does send the summary to your Slack, but if you pick a different AI agent that, for example, sends you a similar summary to Microsoft Teams, we all have that. And if you have AI agents for processing tickets, head over to the tickets under the help desk and see if there are any notifications from AI agents. Looks like not. But if their AI agents are activated and those AI agents, for example, resolve your tickets automatically or notify you about those tickets that are about to cross a SLA agreement, you will see them here. And of course, data is everything. If you want to create custom reports using extensive metrics and dimensions, just head over to the report section. And in order for you to drill into the data, just use that option to chart drill in. And here you can always apply and visualize different dimensions, apply filters, and so you can always select different metrics. Automation should not be difficult. Head over to Intelswift and give it a try today.